Okay, we have 11,000 CE here. So what I'll be doing is first I'll place 11,000 CE. I'll just take a look at the chart. 0.8, and currently there is, okay, this is daily chart. Okay, it's pretty confusing. So what I'll do is I'll rather short this a very little quantity, not much, say 7,500, and we will wait for some time and see whether we should take any trade or not. So it is not a compulsion to take the trade all the time. So only if we get a good opportunity, it makes sense for us to take the trade. So we believe that the market has opened and it is showing volatility, and we believe that this might continue in the coming hour also. So it's good for us to be little safe and not go too aggressively till we are pretty sure of the trend. And I am pretty sure that if we miss out on an opportunity now, we will still get a good opportunity at somewhere around 3 o'clock, which we can make use of. So I will just short 7,500 quantity, and then we will hold on and see how exactly to go ahead with this.
What is the stop loss?
So for this, first we'll decide the stop loss as well. I will be keeping it at 3.6. So just wondering if it is a good trade, because again I'll just go through the open interest data once again, because this will tell us quite a lot of things. Open interest does suggest it doesn't suggest a fall below 850, because there is nothing on the call side, and pretty much 60 lakh at 900, 50 lakh at 850, so which is pretty much hard. Whereas on the call side as well, we have 1 crore 60 lakh, 1 crore 70 lakh, as well as, okay, I will short this 4950 quantity with a stop loss. As you can see, this is the first trade we are taking. I still have to enter the transaction password. Cool. I have shorted 11,000 PE of 4950 or 3000. Let me just take a look. Okay, so I have shorted 4950 quantity of PE with a stop loss of 4950 stop loss market, and I'll be keeping the stop loss at 3 rupees. So this will be my stop loss. Maybe I will not go ahead with straddle. We'll just take a while and think about that. So 3 rupees 2.9 will be my trigger price. 3 rupees, sorry. See. So with this, I will just put 800 as well, because since a move below 900 itself is looking hard, and 800 is at point.
It's already at 860.
Yeah. So a move below 850 is looking hard, and 800 is at already 0.45. Sorry, 1.45. So just considering whether it would be a great option to do that. We'll just hold on for a while and see. Thank God we didn't do a short straddle, because market was volatile and it made no sense for us to do a short straddle as well in such a volatile market. Okay, cool. So here the market has again fallen down, and that is quite significantly, and we have quite a couple of audio inputs here. So Okay, so here from this we have only got 4,000 rupees, and market did fall down, and it has trying to bounce back also. 850 was looking hard. We have to see now. Okay, now 9 lakh contracts have been added here, and quite a lot of unwinding done at 10,900, and okay, quite a lot getting added at 10,950. So what we'll do is, okay, we'll try to just stick on to penny trades today. So no hurry in taking huge volumes. So penny trades, I'll short 4950 of 10,950 CE. Now that is looking pretty hard, or it is just 50 points away. Sorry, 100 points away. So I will just go ahead and do that now, because it's 240 and we have very little time left. This shouldn't be a risky trade. Okay, done at 0.6, and first thing I'll be doing is placing the stop loss. So 4950. I'll place it at 2.1 and 2. Okay, done. So the stop loss has been placed at 2, and we have 2 shorts here, and what I'll be doing now is, for hedge I'll be buying a far away call option for hedge, which will be giving me margin benefit. So if I go to 11,500, okay, that's too far. 11,100. Okay, 11,100 won't be helping me much, because both are at 0.2, and from this I'll be receiving 0.3, which means I literally will be receiving 0. So I would rather go to 11,500 just for hedge, and I'll be buying 7. So this hedge is again not for anything related to risk management. So we have one order which is complete, and yeah, market did show a significant bounce back up. Why did okay, 11,000 quantity has been cleared, and we are just holding on to the other two, that is 10,950 as well as 11,000. So 11,000, now I am pretty sure that it is not going to go there, but all I am scared is of 10,950. That is something we have to see. And we can consider doing 800 as well. So I will just take a quick look at 800 PE, what level it is trading at, and we'll go very little lot, so not much, very little, 10,800 PE, because I don't see a fall below that, and this I'm little more certain than a move above 10,900. So it's more certain that the market is not going to fall below 800 rather than move above 11,900. So this I will be shorting 10,800 P. Here we have, so I'll be shorting 3,000 quantity, and we'll place a stop loss immediately. We'll just see what level the other one is at, so that is 11,850. So here we can also do what is known as a ratio spread, because as you can see, 11,800 is at 1 rupee, this is at 8 rupees, 11,850 is at 8, and 11,900 is at let me just see, 900 shouldn't be at a very high price. 10,900 is at 41 rupees, so it's okay, we'll just stick on to whatever. Right, so these are the trades we have right now. 3,000 of puts have been shorted, and I'll be placing a stop loss for each one of them. So the market is bouncing back again as expected, and what I have to watch out is for 11,950 CE. So 10,950 CE. And since 800 is little more clear now, I will be shorting 1,500 more. Is it a good idea? I'll just wait and watch instead of doing that. So there's no hurry. lot of call writing, quite a lot of call writing. 7.3 crores to 3.9 crores, hugely in the favor of side of the call writers, and very less likely that the market is heading anywhere up significantly. I wouldn't say small bounces are exempted. Significantly, I don't see it go above 900, 950 or any of that sort. So it's crucial for us to see which level the market might hold. And downside was pretty clear, 800, because purely because of the open interest. After 5 lakh, you literally have 30,000, 40,000. So and here you have quite significant OI, so that is something which might not hold good. All I'm scared is Nifty shouldn't bounce quite significantly, triggering stop loss of our 10,950 CE as well. So that is the only thing I'm scared. Other than that, if Nifty pretty much holds this range, I would be pretty happy. So just looking at how to go ahead with the current position. So we wouldn't be getting significant profit today, as I told you earlier. All we are trying to get is a small profit, but a good profit, so that the only thing we are trying to aim here is we don't end in a loss, because even if we get a small profit, it's pretty good for us, because next week we can still continue to stay in profits rather than go to loss this week. And
11,000.
10,950
950 positive, 900 positive.
Yeah, just
Positive. 10,900 is positive, then 950.
which is more?
950 is more.
950 is more than
950.
significant difference, or
Significant. No, not significant.
okay. And have I placed a stop loss for PE is something I have to check again. I think I have. Okay, no, I haven't, so I'll do that first before this. So a stop loss.
Not significant. Is there?
So 2.5, I'll place the stop loss for both, and that is 3,000 quantity, I guess. Or should I risk going to PE is also one more good question to be considered. With so many quantity, if I am in profit, I would rather consider booking little. Actually, I might consider booking little, say around 1,500, instead of holding so many quantities. So 1,500 has been booked. So then I will just change the stop loss for 1,500. We'll hold on for a while and see what positions to be added or adjusted. We have kept a stop loss for PE at sorry, I'll just take a look at that. 2.5. So 1,500 quantity we have kept at 2.5. So we'll still continue to monitor our net positions. 8,000 is our total profit today. So after 3, we are pretty confident that we will get an opportunity, which is yet to be seen. Not a very aggressive trade what we have taken today. It's quite a calm trade, and we have made sure that we are sticking quite a lot of out of money contracts, because we don't want to take a lot of risk. So again the market did turn and it is going down, and I don't want to hold on to my puts now, because so no, like the 1 rupee becoming 10 rupees is not a pretty hard thing, and I have kept a stop loss, but when I am in profits, it's good for me to just come out of it. So I'll just exit out of this. So it's for us to see now. I'm also considering a 850 straddle now, so I might not get lot of premium, and it is also might not be a good time. So okay, 850 straddle we won't be going because totally we'll be collecting 20 points, and a 20-point move is literally nothing. So we'll just stick on to this, and which means we will be sticking only to hidden penny trades. So for people who are confused, what is hidden penny? So this is kind of trading what we teach in a workshop. So we'll only be sticking on to hidden penny trades and try to collect small premiums, and which means I'll just stick on to C, because even when we have a look at the option chain, we see quite a significant writing of calls, around 3.1 crore extra call writing compared to put writing. So all we have to do is make sure that we sail through this expiry day peacefully or calmly, and we will be getting a few more expiries where the market volatility is not very high and it is easy for us to capture the movement. So that's all we are intending now. So what do we go ahead with shorting? I would have added 10,900 as well. So we'll just we will have to see what exactly to be done now. So again, with a disclaimer, before taking any trades, please consult your financial advisor once before taking any trades, because this is only for educational purpose. So we just show our trades just to show how a short straddle or how an option strategy can be implemented. This is only for educational purpose, and we don't recommend following our trades till you consult your financial advisor. And right, this is our position now. Nothing much has changed, and I don't think nothing much will change as well. I don't see a pretty good trade anywhere now, so let me just wait till 3 o'clock. So there's no hurry. We will still be if it manages to hold on to 11 or till 3 o'clock, since I'm little more sure of it not going to 11,000, I can go ahead and short more of 11,000 and get this 20 paisa, 25 paisa itself. So nothing is a waste. So I'll be actually shorting 15,000 quantities at 0.25 paisa, and we'll try to collect all of this, because I don't see a 150 point bounce now, especially considering the amount of OI that has been built on the call side. There is significant unwinding, and it is coming down to 11,900 calls itself. Where do I keep my stop loss? I'll keep it somewhere around 0.7 for these quantities. So buy order, and I'll keep it at 0.7. So 0.7. I don't know where this would go. Yes, it wouldn't go. 0.7 and 0.7, 7,500. So right, so one is done, and I'll place one more at 0.7. Done. Two have been sold at 0.7. Sorry, stop loss have been kept at 0.7, and it's for us to watch how the things go now. So 8,200 is what we have. Should I buy a little more of hedge? Yes, it will be giving us margin benefit, and I will be I'll go ahead and do that. A little more hedge quantity, and 11,500. I guess I have removed that. I'll just add that 11,500. So this is again purely for margin benefit purpose itself. So okay, or maybe not, because if I end up buying this, I have sold at 0.25, and if I end at 0.15, I will literally be making 5 paisa. So which is not a pretty great thing. So then what do I have my eyes on? I have my eyes on 3 things specifically: 850 CE, 850 PE, and I'll be also adding 900 C, which will might also give us a good opportunity, and we will have to see that 11900 C. Okay, sorry, 10900 C. Okay, it is at 0.9. We have it right on top. So it's good for us to wait and watch. It's almost 3. Not pretty sure how the market might turn out. We might see a significant bounce back up, or we might see a significant fall, or the Nifty might consolidate around this range. Nothing is quite clear. We have to wait and watch how things might turn out. So looking at this, we pretty much feel it's almost impossible for the market to move below 800. So mostly it might end below 850 itself. That's what it seems to be going in that direction. But even if I get it at 0.8, it would be a pretty good shot. So today I won't be hurrying and shorting anything. So because of this construction, there is quite a lot of disturbance around. And
10800p 2.6 shorted, 10800p 2.6 stop loss.
None cleared. Profit. Okay. It does look like it is going to stay below 50. I will just short 1500 quantity of this at market, and I will buy off 11,000, 7,500. Okay guys, I will be quickly shorting 10,850.
850 C.
Yeah, because it's already almost 3 minutes and the market is still looking bearish. I'll go with 7,500 quantity with a strict stop loss, not playing around today. Should I go for one more? It is looking pretty negative. I will just take a look at the charts once. Not risking much. Huh. Can it stay near 700, 800? I'll go with one more. 1.7 is what I have shorted at, and it is 3.3. I'll go with one more. It is still at 15, 14, 13. Okay, I guess I will go with one more 7,500. Okay, it's at 0.75 guys. One है 0.85. Okay, 0.75 still. What do we have to look for now? If you want one more opportunity, you can still look at shorting. Okay, be buying a little more. Okay, it is now pretty certain that it is going to stay below that. Done. So I have quite a lot of quantity guys, around 39,000. Okay, not quite a lot, but okay, I heard there was an audio problem and it was not quite clearly audible, so I hope it's audible right now. And it's 5 minutes past 3 and market is around 10,800. So we have two opportunities here. One, either to go ahead and short 10,800 PE, which we'll be considering after a while, currently we have 10,800 850 call option shorted. And even if we get at 0.5, we might consider going for a little more. All we are waiting for is time to decay. So okay, I will be going for one more lot, guys, at 0.5. So did it get clear? Okay, filled quantity point, yeah, done. It's clear now. So
exactly 800, don't short 800. Don't short 800.
yeah, not shorting 800. No, it's not 16. Okay, I have to keep a stop loss. I don't see a move above 850 now for various factors. So the factor number 1. So the factor number 1 being market to close above 850, it should trade in the range of 900 for quite some time, and I guess I can go for one more lot because it's heading more and more towards 800, and it has been a quite significant drop in the market. And okay, it exceeds amount, and it's for me to see. Okay, let me just buy one more quantity of this. P one lot. P one lot. Okay, guys, I will short one lot of P, or maybe not even one lot, 3,000 quantity of P. Only 3,000 quantity of P.
6,000 quantity stop loss.
No, shorted 3,000. So I'll just keep a stop loss for this as well, the 3.5 rupees or 4 rupees, because even in spite of that fall, it didn't hit 4 rupees. So stop loss limit. Okay, it did come down, so I can just see and give it because I am still not under loss. It's important for me to see whether is it important to hold this. So let me just give it, because today we did end in a good position itself. There is no need to keep this and end at a loss. So okay, I can't see the LTP from here. PE. I'll just be clearing that PE.
Clear at 1.5.
What is the price now?
1.5. 1.4.
Okay, shall I clear it or hold on to it?
What's the stop loss?
4 rupees.
Reduce it to 2. It will stay between 800 and 850.
Did I miss something? There is not a stop loss kept here. I'll just clear it, guys, because we are at.
It's too clear.
Yeah, I just clear this at whatever price. I'm not pretty sure. Yeah, and I can short little more if it permits me to do so. Okay, I am exceeding margin. The thing is, to short more, I have to buy as a hedge, and it doesn't make sense for me now because it is at 0.3 and the hedge I will be buying is at 0.15. So not lot of sense for me to do that right now. Maybe we will have to end our trade like this itself. Around 52,000 is what we have got today. So it was a pretty simple trade what we took from 2:30 actually, not even 2:15 actually, not even 2 o'clock. So we entered quite late, and we absolutely didn't have to hurry, so because we had lot of time on our side to think, go slow, and you can still end up making good profit. It's around 0.5%, and that is quite sufficient for today, is what I would like to tell. So only if it had let us short few more quantities, it would have been great, but unfortunately that is not happening. Today, one direction move, and anyone who had shorted calls in the morning, any calls for that matter, would have made quite a good profits end of the day, and because it is completely unidirectional move. Okay, so we will almost close the trade today. Nothing much what we have done, and we won't be doing anything else as well. It was a pretty simple trade. We entered around 2:15, and we are almost out by 3:15, 1 hour, and we were able to make around 55,000. So a quite simple trade, and we won't be risking much more than this. We might see if 800 is a good option, but again there is no point in risking, because today itself we have got so today the entire plan was not to take any trade, but seeing that market was trending on one side, and it might give us a good opportunity. We don't have to risk much, but we can risk less and earn quite less. So that is what was the entire intention behind taking today's trade, and I hope we are successful in doing that. And I can just book profits today, because 50,000 is all we are aiming for, nothing higher than that, and it's at 800, and anyone who had done 800 straddle in the morning would have gained quite a lot, and quite handsomely. Okay, the market has started to head further down, so it's just okay guys. So I think I'll just close all the positions now. It doesn't make sense for me to hold, because it's already at 0.2. I will close all the other positions. Let the buying be there. I will close the selling positions, and I will convert the options now. So, or let me just close both of them also. It's almost time for us to, because we have to convert the positions by 5:15, and it's actually time for us to close at 55k, and that's what I'll be doing right now. So I'll just close at 55k. Okay, 58k. Okay, 55k. Sure. Fine. We might end below 55 only, because I would like to have a round figure of 55, but can't help, because nothing is in our hands right now. We will have to convert, so I'll just maybe book, not completely, but cool. So I will be closing the trades now, and I will be posting the screenshots later on Twitter. You can follow us on Twitter. So I will just be having these two open positions, nothing else. So I will close all the trades now. Like I will be stopping the stream now. Maybe if we are lucky enough, we might cross 60 as well. So I will stop the stream now, and you will be receiving the total end position by end of the day, because we have to convert, and it's already time for us to do that. It's high time we do that. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining the stream. Hope you like the stream.
Profit ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?